Hydrocarbon alkynes. Hydrocarbons with C triple bond C are called alkynes. Acidic H atom C triple bond H H Sp. More electronegative alkynes. Internal alkynes. Terminal alkynes. R H C triple bond H R H C triple bond C H. At least one acidic hydrogen atom. Internal alkynes R C triple bond R C triple bond R. No acidic H atoms. More stable, less stable. H2O greater than ROH. ROH greater than HC triple bond CH. Then NH3 greater than CH4. Order of acidic strength. RC triple bond CH plus RO minus not form RC triple bond C minus plus ROH. RC triple bond CH plus NH2 minus formed RC triple bond O minus NH3 plus NH3. They contain triple bond C2H2 HC triple bond CH called acetylene or ethylene and HC triple bond CH3 called propyne or methyl acetylene. Those unsaturated hydrocarbons which have molecular formula CnH2n-2 are called alkynes. They contain triple bond C2H2 HC triple bond CH. They are the more acidic than alkenes and alkanes because they have sp hybridized carbon atom which is more electronegative. Isomerism. Ethynes does not show any type of isomerism. Other alkynes can form chain positions and functional isomers. 1-pentyne CH triple bond C CH2 CH3. 1-pentyne 2-pentyne 1 2 3 3-methyl 1-butyne 1 2 3 1,3-pentadiene. A and B are positions isomers. A and C are chain isomers. A and C are chain isomers. A and D are functional isomers. Propyne triple bond propyne. Cyclopropene are ring chain isomers. Structure. In acetylene molecules, one of the sp hybridized orbitals of one carbon atom overlap axially with one of the sp hybridized orbitals of the other carbon atom. CC sigma bond is formed. Second sp hybridized orbital of each carbon atom overlap axially and separately with first orbital of the 2 hydrogen atom and 2 CH sigma bond are formed. The remaining 2 pure p orbitals of one carbon atom overlap sideways with the corresponding p orbitals of carbon atoms and thus 2 CC pi bond are formed. Now preparations from calcium carbide CaCO3 del heat CaO plus CO2 CaO plus 3C CaC2 plus CO CaC2 plus 2H2O CaOH 2 plus C2H2 from vicinal dihalides CH2Br CHBr CH plus KOH alcohol KBr H2O C double bond HHHH NaH2 NaBr NH3 CH triple bond CH. Physical property: first three members are gases, the next 8 are the liquids, and the highest ones are solid. All the alkynes are colorless and odorless except ethynes, which has characteristic odor. All alkynes are insoluble in water but soluble in non-polar solvent. Melting point, boiling point, and density increase with increase in molar mass. Chemical properties: acidic nature CH triple bond CH Na liquid dot NH3 Na plus C minus triple bond CH plus 1/2 H2. Acidic characteristic of hydrocarbon: decrease in odor. CC triple bond greater than CC double bond. CC double bond greater than CC single bond. The group CC triple bond alkyne is acidic in nature due to more S character. 50% of CC triple bond, which is sp hybridized. Proton release in C triple bond H take place more readily. Additions reactions: C triple bond reagent NiH2 523 to 573 Kelvin. CH2 double bond CC double bond H2 reagent CH3 CH triple bond CH Cl2 CCl4 reagent से यहाँ पर एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ और यहाँ पर Cl ऐड हुआ, देन C2 CCl4 से फिर एक बॉन्ड रिमूव हुआ, फिर एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ, CHCl2 CHCl2 हो गया. C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड Br, सिर्फ इसमें एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ और सिर्फ इसी के साथ Br बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हुआ. HBr रिएजेंट फर्दर, देन CHBr2 सिर्फ एक ही कार्बन के साथ ये बॉन्ड बना रहा है. CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH H2O H2SO4 HgSO4 33 Kelvin. CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CHOH टोटोमेराइजेज CH3 CHO. Linear polymerizations NCH triple bond CH double bond CH double bond CHN polyacetylene और polyethylene. Cyclic polymerizations 3CH triple bond CH red hot Fe tube 873 Kelvin. Benzene. Now aromatic hydrocarbons topic. Now aromatic hydrocarbons are now called arenes. Benzene is simplest aromatic hydrocarbons. Arenes can be described by general formula CnH2n minus 6m, where n is the CnH2n minus 6m, where n is the number of carbon atoms and n is not less than 6 and m is the number of benzene ring. Now nomenclature. Aromatic compound has two main parts. Nucleus, it is the benzene ring where all the 6 carbon atoms are in sp2 hybridized state, as there is alternate double and single bond. Side chain, alkyl or any other aliphatic group attached to benzene nucleus is called side chain. This is obtained by the replacing one or more hydrogen atom in the ring by alkyl group. Monosubstituted derivatives, if one of the hydrogen atom of ring is substituted by an alkyl radical or a group, then it is called monosubstituted derivative. Disubstituted derivatives. The positions of second substituent with respect to first one will form different form. Second and sixth positions of ring with respect to first are called ortho positions, and third and fifth positions of ring with respect to first are called meta positions. Fourth positions with respect to first is called para positions. If side chain contain a functional group, then these are said to be phenyl derivative of corresponding aliphatic compounds. 1 2 3 4 5 6